Heading into the Goodwill in Virginia Beach. This is the Rosemont Road location. $6.99. That is a gorgeous vase. Let's see that. That's beautiful. What is this? Is this wood? Oh, it is wood for $5.99. That's pretty. This is reduced down to $1.99. $6.99. This looks like it's metal, but it's actually, I don't know if it's wood. This is $5.99. That's a pretty cool piece. Oh, here's a juicer. Oh, $14.99. That's a heavy-duty juicer. Look at this, the Pantheon. Or, no, Parthenon. I was thinking Italy. $6.99. Oh, this tray is nice. Oh, it feels a little flimsy. I guess it's broken right here. I don't see a price on it. No price. I thought this was real, but it's not. I don't even know how much this is. $3.99. It's too bad. That would have been a gorgeous piece. That's a cute camel candle holder. $3.99. There really isn't anything in here that's worth looking at. This place is full of clothes, and that's, I think, what would be best to get here. This lamp is pretty. That is $5.99. Here's a set of lamps for $6.99 each. No shades though. This piece is kind of cool for $6.99. $2.99. These are pretty heavy. The tray is pretty. $2.99. Oh, this is kind of cool. It's pretty heavy too. $4.99. That's pretty cool. Wow, these are really heavy. I guess it's wall decoration. They're $3.99. They are like really, really heavy. This caught my eye. The sugar and coffee canisters. They're so big. $6.99, and the coffee is $4.99. There's no markings, but they are like a crock. Those are so cool. I found the tea, but the tea doesn't have a lid. Ah, that would be such a cool set. Not for me, but for somebody, that would be such a cool set. That's pretty cool. $1.99. $2.99. I'm just not seeing anything here. That's worth. This is pretty cool. Oh, it's a platter with handles for $6.99. These cups are kind of cool. London. No markings on them. They're the same. There's only 3 of them. Ooh. I want to look at these bowls. These bowls are pretty. These are pretty. These are $2.99 each. Marketplace. I don't know, is that Kohl's? I've got 4 bowls there. I know, but there's not. This set, 2 bowls and a salt and pepper shaker for $3.99. And the pack says Mikasa. Oh, there's plates too, right there. This looks like you could use for Turkish coffee. $2.99. Doesn't have very much weight to it. There's 2 cutting boards for $2.99. Got a lot of baskets here. This kind of looks like something you would get from one of the home stores. Doesn't have a price on it. $5.99 for these 2. Okay, we're going to the wood section. This is very, very cute. Oh, and it's got a lip for plates. That is $2.99. Oh, look at this box. Oh, it's a tissue box. Oh, this is probably $1.99. That's a cute little box. You could put some plants in. Oh, Trader Joe's, $2.99. Let's see, what's this? Ooh, this is heavy. $3.99. That's very heavy. That's a nice tray. Oh, look, you can be a sexy supermodel with a blonde wig. That is $3.99. This is pretty cool. Oh, it's got some weight to it. And that is $4.99. That's pretty cool. That would be pretty on a dining room table or coffee table with a plant, candle, a couple of books. That would be very cute. Here's a trash can. This is $5.99. This looks like it's mass manufactured. Look at these two owls. Boy, they look mad. They're as light as a feather. $3.99. I don't think it's worth $3.99. This is kind of cute. $3.99 for this wind chime. Let's see if I can. This cute little house. Oh, it's a music box. Take you home again. The price is $3.99. It's very cute. And let's see. Wow, what is this piece? That's kind of cool. That's $4.99. I don't know what this is. I'll have to look it up. Oh, I see. You hang it up that way. It's a shelf. This is cute. This bunny is cute too. The bunny is $3.99 and the cat is $2.99. Look at this cute little cat. That is $2.99. That's very pretty. Those are pretty for the holidays. We have some religious items. This canister is $4.99. I like this jar. $3.99. And it says it's food safe, so it must be a canister. It does have this lid. This vase is $3.99. And it says, "In everything give thanks." That's really pretty. Cute little snowman tray, $3.99. Oh, and you can hang it up too. Very cute. $12.99 for this nightstand. And we've got this really cool one with 2 drawers. And this one's $15.99. That's really cool. Let's go over here and look at the pictures. This is an old print. Oh, wow. It says, Mrs. Louise Beasley Hecka, Assignment 9, Lesson 5, Craft Tint, Fulton Craft, or Canvas Panel. Oh, I don't see a price on it though. That's pretty cool too. That's $3.99. Looks like these go from $3.99 to $6.99. This one is $7.99. I like this frame. There's nothing in it, but I don't see a price. Okay, this frame is $4.99. Let's see what these are. Well, these are like stone. $4.99 each. This would be really pretty outside. You know, you would think that Goodwill would have so much stuff, being at the summertime and everybody cleaning out their homes and stuff like that, but I'm thinking maybe because it's vacation time and people are getting ready for school, that they're really not concentrating on their homes and stuff like that. So hopefully in the fall there will be more things to see, but at this one there just really wasn't anything worth looking at. I showed you the best that they had and with the prices, but if there are any Goodwills that you guys know of in the DMV area that I haven't checked out, please let me know in the comments below, or if there's anything that you guys want me to try to find at the different Goodwills, let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.